If you've been struggling with hair loss and are seeking a fast, effective, and customized solution, HairGrow 3X Ultimate Hair Loss Treatment Plan might be exactly what you need. HairGrow 3X is not just a typical hair loss treatment plan, it's an elite package designed specifically for those who want to kick their hair regrowth into overdrive and combat hair loss quickly. This premier treatment plan has already helped countless customers regain not only their hair but also their confidence. One of the best things about HairGrow 3X is the flexibility it offers. Unlike other hair loss treatments that come with a set plan, HairGrow 3X puts you in the driver's seat. This package has been thoughtfully crafted to offer customers the flexibility to tailor their treatment choices. What does that mean for you? Well, it means you can choose any 3 treatments from a comprehensive collection of hair loss treatments, ranging from our Scalp RF Microneedling to Minoxidil Scalp Booster or even low-level laser therapy for hair loss. Whether you're looking for multiple sessions of a specific treatment or want to mix and match to meet your unique goals, HairGrow 3X lets you do just that. But here's the real game changer, folks. HairGrow 3X doesn't just offer you choice, it also offers you exceptional value. It's not often that you get access to premium hair regrowth treatments at a discounted rate. With HairGrow 3X, you can enjoy top-of-the-line treatments without breaking the bank. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations but with more affordable rents so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 2,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our treatments speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide honest and affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com or to make a free booking at wellaholic.live/book. See you.